This video is going to show you how to make banana bread. First, we have 3 sticks of margarine in the mixer and 3 cups of granulated sugar. And we're just going to cream that together on low. To the sugar and margarine mixture, we're going to add 6 eggs. Okay, then we're going to cream all that together. So it's incorporated with one another. Okay, once you have that creamed together, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. And you'll need 9 ripe bananas. And we're going to smash them up. And the way I do it is I just take a handheld potato masher. You just mash them up. See how easy that potato masher mashes them? Always find multi-uses for your utensils in your kitchen. They can be very versatile. So you just want to smash them up so you can put all 9 of your bananas into your mix. Just like that. And we're going to add it to our mix. Once you get all your bananas mashed, we're going to mix them up in our sugar and egg and margarine mixture. Mix everything up so it's all nice mixed together. Just a couple minutes is all it takes. Now to our mixture, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, then we're going to mix all this together. The last thing we're going to do is put our flour in. And you need 6 cups of flour. So now we're adding our flour 3 cups at a time. Depending on how big your mixer is. If your mixer's not big enough, you can always mix this up in a bowl. I'm making actually a triple batch here because I want to put it in a high-sided pan so I can cut them like brownies. And I'm also going to put my marshmallow fluff icing on it that is in, the recipe is in a different video for you to look at if you like. Or you can just leave your banana bread plain and just eat it without icing on it. Now that our banana bread is all mixed up, we're going to put it in a pan. Like I said, I usually use this pan for making buns in because it has high side. But I already sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. We're just going to dump it in. We have our oven preheating on 350. We're going to bake this for 50 minutes or till golden brown. We'll just keep checking it. You can put it in loaf pans to make, banana bread loaves, or you can make banana muffins out of it, out of this mixture. But what I'm doing is putting it in this large pan so I can cut it like brownies, and I'm going to put icing on it. Once you have it in your pan, just level it all out, just like that. And then we're going to bake it for 50 minutes. The banana bread is out of the oven. It's all nice and golden brown. Springs back. Once it cools, I'm going to put the marshmallow fluff icing on it, and then we'll cut it into squares. The marshmallow fluff icing recipe is in another video if you'd like to try it. This is the banana bread all done with our marshmallow fluff icing on it. The marshmallow fluff recipe is in a different video if you'd like to try to make it. I hope you enjoy your banana bread. Please like and subscribe to my channel.